amazing drill of 5 forms and 5 dhams, that is, homes. As per directions of Baba, we yogis perform a drill of 5 forms and 4 dhams daily. Now we have to learn this amazing drill of forms and dhams jointly. The 5 forms are Atma, the soul, Devata, deity, Pujaniya, adorable, Brahmin, angel, and the 4 dhams are history hall, Baba's hut, Baba's room, and Tower of Peace, Shanti Stham. There is a great importance of these 4 dhams as for long periods. There was a presence of God Father Shiva in human corporeal medium, due to which these homes are fully charged with God's ultra-high energy. The soul will be charged with this ultra-high energy of God when it performs this drill frequently. If we add Param Dham, that is silence world, into 4 dhams, then there will be total 5 dhams. To make the soul very powerful, within very short period, we will perform drill of 5 forms and dhams jointly. I, the soul, am face to face with God Father Shiva in Param Dham, charging my 16 energy points. And after charging of my 16 energy points, I become Master Son of knowledge and destroy world's darkness due to ignorance. I am in the form of Vishnu's deity present in the history hall, face to face with Bab Dada. Bab Dada is gifting me weapon of knowledge, chakra of yoga, conch of service, and lotus of dharana. I, the deity, am becoming full of 16 arts, completely viceless, Maryada Purushottam, and double non-violent. I am in the form of deities like Ganesha or Durga, present in Baba's hut and doing welfare of complete humanity, and these forms of mine are worshipped at homes and in the temples. I am in the Brahman form, seated on a lotus throne, in Baba's room, face to face with Bab Dada. He has blessed me with the 3rd eye, knowledge of time and 3 worlds. I have become similar to that of Brahma Baba in all respects, and am doing welfare of whole world. I have become an angel like Brahma Baba, and am standing in front of Shanti Stham, that is Tower of Peace, holding the hand of Bab Dada's angelic form and flying in the universe and spreading rays of light and might, purity, peace, love, joy, and bliss. At last I have reached the subtle world and removed the light form costume and become a point of light and reach the soul world again. In this way, one cycle of drill of 5 forms and 5 dham has been completed. In a day, if we complete this drill for 21 times, our 5 forms will be clearly visible to us very soon. To keep our mind and intellect busy, we can use the chart in cyclic pattern. Now, time is in its last and final phase. We can still acquire the the highest position in the forthcoming golden age. This is not the case of only one birth, but it is the last, final time and chance to achieve a fortune for a complete kalpa, that is cosmic cycle. Please remember, now or never, for each kalpa. Om Shanti.